Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Aisha and I am an aeronautical degree student in University Technology Malaysia. I have been assigned to program a system for my project in my programming subject. Therefore, I will demonstrate the programming project that I have been working on, which is an e-wallet system. So this is my programming and I will build and run it to show it to you. So firstly, I would have to enter my name. So I'll just enter my name and I have to enter the password that I have set in order to run this. So basically, if I enter a wrong password, like if I just enter any type of number, they'll say the password is invalid. So I have to enter the right password that I have set, which is 123456500. So I've entered my e-wallet system, and yeah, so basically, as you can see here, there's 4 choices that I can make, which is either to pay my usage bill, to transfer to another e-wallet account, to reload my e-wallet, or to exit my application. So firstly, I would like to show you how to pay my usage bill. So I'll just have to press any key to continue first. And it asks here that which service do I want to use. So I'll show you number 1. And after that, the options that came out is either I want to pay my water usage, my electrical usage, my postpaid bill, extra bill, or I want to exit the service. So say that I would like to pay my postpaid bill. So I'll just go on with number 3. And the options that came out, there are 10 options, which is that I have to choose my provider companies, either Maxis, Umobile, Celcom, Unify, and etc. So let's say I'll go with Maxis because mine is Maxis. I'll go with number 1. So it says here that please select internet provider company. So I chose number 1 and enter your phone number. So I'll just enter my phone number. Enter. So and I have to enter the amount that I want to pay. Let's say I have to pay 60 ringgit. So I have to 60. And I have paid. My transaction is completed. So it says here whether I want to exit my application or not. So let's just say I'll go with no first because I would like to show you the rest of the system. And it goes back to the original state, one of the 4 choices, which is pay usage bill or transfer or reload or exit application. So I've already showed you number 1. So now I'll be showing number 2, which is to transfer to another e-wallet account. How to transfer. So the service that I want to choose is service number 2. So I'll just enter number 2. And after entering number 2, this is the choices that I have, either 1, 2, or 3. Like I have to select my region. So I'm in Malaysia. I'll choose number 1. So my receiving number would be, I'll just enter my receiving number. And I have to enter the amount that I want to transfer, which is 60. And yeah, transfer completed. So do I want to exit the application? Yes or no? I'll go with no first. Just N. And it brings me back to the original state, the original 4 choices that I have to choose. So for the next one, I'll show you how to reload my e-wallet, which is number 3. I'll just choose number 3, the service that I want to use. And it brings me to the choices between these 3 choices, which one I want to choose, my payment method. So I'll choose online banking. So I'll enter number 1. And it says here that I have to select my bank company, either CIMB, Maybank, Islamic, and etc. So I would like to choose Maybank, so I would go with number 2. So I have to enter my account number. I'll just create any account number. I'll just put in anything. And I have to enter the amount to pay. Let's say I want to pay 60 ringgit. And my transaction is completed. So do I want to exit my application? Let's go with no. And it brings me back to the original 4 choices that I want to make. So that's it for my e-wallet application. So now we just have to exit the application by entering number 4, which is exit application. And it will ask me whether I want to exit or not, and I key in yes. So it says here, thank you for using e-wallet application. Have a nice day, and done. That's it for my e-wallet system. Press any key to continue. And yeah, that's how my e-wallet application works. Thank you.